So what I noticed in this 2012 Traverse is that it has like a shutter on engagement when it gets into the gear. It's not torque converter shutter though. Definitely not going to come across on video. So I'm monitoring for a torque converter shutter. It was apparent during full throttle pulls, and I'm going to try again under moderate throttle. And there's definitely like a shutter when it gets into gear. I'll have to look at line pressure. This is torque converter slip speed. In this model year, there is no actual and desired. It's only actual, so there's nothing to compare it to, but I'm not really feeling a torque converter shutter, and I'm not seeing that visually either on the graph. So I'll report back in a moment. Let's see. So it looks like first gear uses pressure solenoid 3, fourth gear uses pressure solenoid 2. First gear, no. Maybe I have that out of order. Let's see. one. It doesn't give you the pressure. Let's see. Second gear, third gear, there was a brief flare there. Was that fourth gear? So it looks like pressure solenoid 2 was that third gear? Here's pressure solenoid 3, which must be for first gear. Nope, that just went away. Every gear, when it goes into gear, it kind of like judders. It's not a torque converter shudder like I was saying. You could feel it more so than you can see it.